A light moves through the corridors of an old Calderdale mill. Slowly, from one floor to the next. As it moves, a voice calls out, quietly, your name. You open the door. No one stands there. Only the long hallway stretching away under the low lights. Then further along, another door opens. Someone else leans into the corridor and asks, "Did you call me?" This happens in some of the old mills of Calderdale, in the Pennine Hills of West Yorkshire. Places that once ran day and night with looms. When the machinery stopped and the workers went home, someone still walked the building. And that was the watchman, lantern in hand, calling softly into the corridors. Anyone still here? Because in buildings that large, someone sometimes was. Too many of those mills live different lives now. Studios and offices, apartments. People sleep inside the walls that once contained machinery. And sometimes, late at night, someone hears their name spoken, quietly, from the corridor outside. They open the door. There's no one there. But further along, another door opens, and someone asks the same question. "Did you call me?" And the voice moves. One stretch of corridor, and then the next. It's as if someone is walking the building, checking each door in turn. Walking is a curious thing. We think of it as balance, but it isn't. Every step begins with a fall. You lean forward, you begin to fall, you catch yourself and you take the next step. And then again and again. A lifetime of small, careful falls. The watchman, he made that walk thousands of nights. Lantern light, moving slowly through the corridors, and always leaning into the next step, and always catching himself before the fall. Some lives, they bend themselves around a single duty, night after night. The same walk, the same quiet voice checking the dark. And by the time such a man is finally laid to rest, that pattern may already be worn deep into the place, deep enough that even when the man is gone, the watch continues. So if you hear your name spoken softly through the corridor of an old Calderdale mill, you may feel a tightening at the back of your neck. But the voice may not belong to anything that's trying to frighten you. It may simply be the watchman, making his rounds, checking the doors, and making sure that no one's been left behind. Because for some men, the burial is not the end of the watch. It's only the moment that the world begins to notice it. And if that voice calls your name in the quiet of an old mill, answer him. He's only making sure you're safe. Giles, signing off.